To this video. Today's video, flutter of the week widget, flutter widget of the week. We're gonna talk about SizedBox. As you can see, SizedBox is just something very little. It's not something which is too much. Yeah, this is the one SizedBox. You see, this is all it. It code is not difficult to implement. So what I got here is I just have to, like, you see this one, I just have to differentiate SizedBox. What you just have to take a look and read about everything. SizedBox, blah 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 blah. It's just a space, height and width. So that is how it is. So let me just implement it here. So I got here, let me just put, I got here, just put my SizedBox. So I will begin with height. This one I don't need only height. I don't need children. I don't need width. So I don't need all these two. Children, width. I just need only height. I'm just gonna give it like 30.0. That's all. Then I'm just gonna run my app. It's just Amazonian history, Southern Cameroon history. So don't worry. I'm gonna upload this app on Google Play Store. So you guys gonna check them out. So I can see there's a space. I can see I've not yet put any color. You see this, yeah, this is what I've just done. There's a space here, there's space here. So we just have some little space here. For example, let me space the history. Let me just space the history a little bit. SizedBox. It's just to give space within height. Let me just put 20. And let me just run it again. This is the map, this is and so on and so forth. Let me go to the history. Have you seen this is the history? I just have to differentiate a little space, and I can add color and so on and so forth from everything. If I don't wanna, like, I can just add color, like style and so on and so forth. But this is not a video for today. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. Until then guys, see you. And don't, if you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to go check this app. If you are Ambazonian, if you are not Ambazonian, support this struggle to the restoration of Southern Cameroon. So don't be left out. Join the train. Thank you.